Right now, somewhere under your feet, there is a 100-pound iron disc you've walked over 1,000 times. You've never once asked why it's shaped the way it is. Never once. It's round. Every single one, in every city, on every continent. Everywhere. Not oval, not square, round. And that's not an accident of tradition. Every one of them. It's one of the oldest engineering riddles hiding in plain sight. Microsoft famously asked job candidates this exact question for decades. Most people guess the obvious answer immediately. They say it's just easier to make, easier to roll. That's not wrong. But it's not the real reason either. The real reason is about something you'd never think to ask. Can a shape fall through itself? And the answer changes everything about how cities are built. That's the real question. Picture a square manhole cover for a second. A square is exactly as wide as it is tall. Corner to corner, it's even wider. Tilt that square cover on its diagonal, and it becomes narrower than the hole it's supposed to cover. Drop it in at the wrong angle, and it slides straight down. A worker underneath could be crushed by 90 pounds of falling iron. A rectangular cover has the same problem, just worse. A circle doesn't. No matter how you turn it, tilt it, or angle it, a circle's width never changes, just geometry. Mathematicians call this property constant width. It means the diameter measured through the center is identical from every direction. You can rotate a circle infinitely, and it will never, ever fit through a hole of its own size. That single property is the entire answer. Here's where it gets stranger, because circles aren't the only shape with this trick. In 1875, German engineer Franz Reuleaux studied a family of shapes now named after him. A Reuleaux triangle looks like a rounded triangle, but it also has constant width. You've actually held one without realizing it. Some guitar picks, some pencils, and the rotor inside the Wankel engine are Reuleaux shapes. So technically, a city could use Reuleaux-shaped manhole covers and get the same safety benefit. Nobody does. Because a circle has a second advantage, the triangle doesn't. Nothing more, it's the only constant width shape that's also perfectly symmetrical in every direction, which makes manufacturing dramatically simpler. Let's go back to where these things actually come from, the foundry floor. A standard manhole cover in the United States weighs between 100 and 300 pounds. That's heavy. That's not light. Workers don't carry them, they roll them. A round cover can be tipped on its edge and rolled like a wheel to the job site. A square or rectangular one has to be dragged, lifted, or carted. In the 19th century, before hydraulic lifts existed, that difference mattered enormously. Foundries casting these covers also preferred circles for a purely physical reason. Molten iron cools more evenly in a round mold than in a mold with corners. Corners cool faster than centers, which creates internal stress and weak points. A cooling square is more likely to crack under the exact same iron than a cooling circle. So the round shape wasn't just safer, it was cheaper to cast and stronger once it hardened. Physics, not tradition. New York City began standardizing underground infrastructure access points in the 1850s. By the 1890s, American Society for Testing Materials guidelines pushed cities toward uniform iron castings. Round openings were already the default in most sewer and utility systems by then. The round manhole itself came first. The cover just had to match it. That's an easy thing to miss. The shape wasn't chosen for the lid. It was chosen for the hole, and round holes were easier to dig with the tools available at the time. A cylindrical shaft is structurally the strongest shape you can bore into soil and rock. Pressure from the surrounding earth pushes evenly against a curved wall, with no weak corners to collapse. A square shaft has to fight uneven pressure at every corner, and it fails there first. Strength over shape. Here's the twist almost nobody mentions. Round manhole covers are not actually universal. In parts of Japan, you'll find manhole covers that are square, rectangular, even hexagonal. Since the 1980s, over 95% of Japanese municipalities have commissioned custom-designed covers. Some depict cherry blossoms, koi fish, Mount Fuji, or local festival scenes. They're often square because the artwork matters more than the physics. And it turns out the falling through danger is smaller than people assume. Less than you'd think. Most square covers still sit inside a recessed frame with an overlapping lip. That lip alone prevents most covers from tipping through, round or not. So the fall-through explanation, while true and elegant, isn't actually why cities picked round covers historically. When engineers finally traced the real history in the 1990s, the answer turned out simpler and more human. Round was simply already the default shape of the hole, and every other advantage came afterward, justified in hindsight. That's the part almost no one quotes. Just a coincidence, dressed as insight. The clever safety explanation is real. It's just not the origin story. It's a reason that got attached to a decision made for entirely different reasons: digging, casting, and rolling. Today, manhole cover standards are written into law, not left to a foundry's guess. The International Organization for Standardization sets cover requirements under ISO 1083 for ductile iron. In the US, most cities specify covers rated to withstand 40,000 pounds of load. That's roughly the weight of a fully loaded fire truck axle. Modern covers are made from ductile iron instead of the old gray cast iron. Small change. Big difference. Ductile iron bends slightly under stress instead of shattering, which matters when a truck rolls over it at rush hour. Some cities, like Chicago, still use covers cast with dates and manufacturer names, some over a century old. Walk through downtown Chicago and you can find manhole covers older than every building around them. They've outlived the people who installed them. Literally. You will step on one today, maybe several. You won't hear it, feel it shift, or think about the 60 pounds of engineering history under your shoe. That's the whole point of good design. It disappears. Nobody praises a manhole cover for doing its job. You only ever notice one when it fails, until it doesn't. And they do fail, more often than you'd guess. Manhole cover theft is a real and costly problem worldwide. In 2004, thieves in Chicago stole over 150 manhole covers in a matter of weeks, selling them as scrap iron. A single cast iron cover can be worth $20 to $50 as scrap metal. In parts of India and China, cover theft has caused fatal falls into open sewer shafts every year. One open manhole in a dark street becomes a hole a person can disappear into. That's why some cities have started bolting covers down or switching to composite materials with no resale value. Composite covers made from recycled plastic and fiberglass are lighter, harder to steal, and don't rust. They still keep the same shape circles because that geometric advantage never stopped mattering. Same shape, new material. So the story isn't really about circles at all, it's about the thousands of invisible decisions holding up the ground you walk on. Every manhole cover is a small monument to a problem solved so completely you forgot it existed. The same is true of the bricks under your feet, the wiring in your walls, the bridge you drove over this morning. Somebody at some point sat with a version of this exact question. Every single time, what happens if this fails? What's the cheapest way to make sure it doesn't? And then they built an answer so good that it became invisible. So the next time you cross the street and pass over one of those heavy iron circles, look down. That shape carries 170 years of foundries, sewer engineers, city ordinances, and one elegant piece of geometry. It's not there by accident, and it's not there because someone thought it looked nice, on purpose. It's there because someone, decades before you were born, refused to let a shape become a hazard. You've walked over that decision your entire life without a single thought. That's not ignorance. That's what it feels like when engineering works exactly as intended. The world is full of round iron discs quietly doing their job in silence, every single day. And the best design you'll ever encounter is the kind you never notice at all.